again with another video, and today we have a special guest named Maddie. Say hi.
Hi.
So today we're doing a makeup look on her. I cracked my phone, so there's like this little weird like shiny thing like in this corner or like in this corner, like there it comes in the corner sometimes. So I'm very sorry about that, but I cracked my phone and I'm getting it fixed soon, so it's okay. So I'm gonna show you that. I don't know if you can like really see it as well as in person, but like all around there is like cracked. Oh look, there's me. But like it's all
There's
cracked.
so many of you because like there's phones and phones.
But like it's all cracked like on the side because it fell in my pocket. So I just wanted to say, guys, I'm super sorry for not uploading on Monday. I probably will be uploading a video before Friday or on Friday, and I'm gonna be making my vlog starting this Friday, ending next Friday, so make sure you stay tuned for that. So this is our subject for today. Take off your glasses. Okay. So today, sit down. Today, so we got some makeup at the thing. Well, she got makeup because it's her birthday.
No,
We're not gonna be using this one, but she got the chocolate milk outfit.
I wanted the Jim Shaw's pop, but of course they were all out of it because they're little dummies.
Yeah.
And they don't want to have it.
So then she got this lip gloss by ColourPop.
Be using that today.
We might be using it. I don't know. Yeah, just look at that. Then we got the ColourPop Yes Please, which I also got this, but this one's hers. We're going to be using it.
Well, there's two, so there's kind of like, no.
And then this is the Diamond Fire Highlighter from Too Faced. And the Charm Kylie Jenner lip stuff. We're not using the Jaclyn Hill palette, but we probably will be using the rest of this.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Just keep it. So guys, apparently I'm a softball parent now, but I don't want to get my shirt dirty. Or my pants. Guys, we're starting with the ColourPop Yes Please.
So this is how it looks without the case on. It's actually cute. It's like a gray-white color, and then it says Yes Please ColourPop at the bottom. And these are the colors in it. There's full zip, big cocktail,
We don't have to show them all the colors.
Champs, Bling, Louis, Butter Cake, Spoiled, GNL, French Kiss, Chaffory, or whatever she said, Note to Self, and Mischief.
Okay. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, do you like my hair? If you don't like it, I don't care. So, this is my personal makeup. So we're gonna be starting with my foundation, which is probably way too light, but don't judge. Okay, so I'm using this by Collab.
So
It's very light. It's like, what shade is this even? I don't even know what shade this is, but it's so light. So I have a beauty blender. I'm just going to.
it's such a pain in your arse.
That's better.
Okay.
So guys, this is white, but you guys are gonna think she looks way whiter after I put concealer on.
Yeah, definitely.
So,
Concealer makes a big difference.
but first we're doing the eyebrows, which these are gonna be too dark also, but it's okay. because you won't stay still, you bum.
You're a
gotta look at the camera every once in a while. Oh yeah, sorry guys. I'm just not in the mood right now. I'm doing concealer now. Stupid eyeshadow brush because I forgot to bring other ones. Big cocktails first. It's like a flamingo pink color. All right, pretty. Oh, look what it does.
I know, because it's just a
yeah, it's fine because
it's gonna get messy. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And I just did that at school. I was like, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
All right, so now we're going to be using Note to Self, which is like a brown color.
Pretty.
Now, oh, I forgot. I just used Champs, and now I'm using GNO. So now we're going to be using the Diamond Light highlight.
So pretty.
If you don't like this, give it to me. Okay?
Okay. I will.
You probably will.
So pretty.
So first we're going to be using blush. We're going to be using Champs from the ColourPop thing. eyeliner. Oh, like, come on.
That's this color.
So we're using the Charm by Kylie Jenner. She's my girl.
Oh, it feels so fake. Oh, I'm so
You look so pretty. All right, now we're gonna do the end result. So let's go. So guys, we hope you enjoyed the video. So make sure you go check out her channel where she's gonna be doing my makeup. It's not gonna be as good as how I did her. But anyway, so make sure you check that out. We're about to film. So let's go. Ew.